Hey there, YouTube. Today we're looking at another case knife. This thing is pretty cool. I don't manipulate the colors of my videos, so hopefully this will come through as I'm seeing it. But this is very red. This is like fire engine red. I mean, this is very red. So this is red Sycamore. I got this from the wonderful Sooner State Knives. They sent me another boomer pen, but hey, they also got it to me super fast. They use priority shipping. Yeah, and it's awesome. Fits in hand really well. So this is like what I kind of sometimes don't really understand about people that, you know, super hate case is like, why don't you, if you know, buy one that, like, I have yet to seen a bad Copperlock. And I get that maybe some of it has to do with how slip joints are kind of held to different standards. That could be it, than a locking knife. But yeah, I mean, you can go get this for like 70 bucks, 80 bucks after shipping. And I have one in Cocobolo, a large, and I already know I love this pattern. So one thing I wanted to point out that is like super clear on parts of this. Yeah, you can see it. Do you see this? Right there. It's because somebody uses like a belt sander to put an edge on this. And that is a fast and efficient way, but it leaves, it's really noticeable right here. Let me get it back. It leaves an edge that looks, people call it toothy. Ragged would be another way to describe it. But yeah, here's another big winner from Case. Yeah, I mean, this is definitely way cooler than I thought it would be. I really like this one. But anyway, that's all she wrote for this one, folks. Hope you all are having a good day. Bye now.